Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Muppet themed chip bag. This is what I got. This is what I came up with. So we are going to be recreating this, and I have a little bit of like tips and tricks that you can use on creating your own items for the chip bag. So I guess let's go ahead and get started. And I already have the images over here. That way it don't take up too much time. I did not copy the god dang the background. Jesus. Okay. This is just like a chalkboard background that I got off of Google. Most of these images right here I also got from Google. There are some of them that I did make, and I'm going to show you how I did that process. So I already just went ahead and copied the image just to, make the video go by faster to where it's not so, dragged out. Nobody likes to watch that. Okay, so I want to bring that forward, and I actually want to line it up. Come on, let me line this bad boy up. Shoot. Gotta get some accurate in your system. Alright. The banner I actually made myself, so we are going to be recreating that. Now I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm also going to put it on the opposite side as well. So let's go ahead and do that. And this side is longer, so let me make sure it's lined up right there. Okay, now as you can see, right there it is a different color. Sometimes when I'm having trouble like finding certain colors that I need, I click on, but I want it in that image but just a different color. Click on the image, go to format, and go to recolor. I'm gonna go down some more variations and choose that color, and it pretty much changes the background that you just had. Let's go ahead and insert some borders. You guys know I like my borders. So the borders are nothing fancy, you just go to insert, rectangles, no outline. I think this one was what, green at the top? Or was it that blue? I'm sorry. It was green, okay. Okay. Stretch that out just a little bit more. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead, copy, paste it down here. Paste it a little bit further down. Alright. Now I'm going to change the color of this one. Format, shape, fill. Let's go to the turquoise color, teal, whatever you want to call it. Now let's go to insert, and let's go to shapes, and let's go to the line. I am adding a line right there, and I'm going to do that the opposite color, the turquoise color. And let's go to the weight. I want the weight to be a little bit thick. Let's get this line even. Alright, now it's even. I'm going to go ahead and copy that line. Should have put it closer. Alright, now we want to change this the opposite color to the green. Bring it down a little bit. Alright, perfect. And as you can see, at first I had this border right here. I didn't really like it. It didn't do what I needed it to do. I don't know, I didn't like that border. So this border right here I actually made myself. Now it can be tedious, I guess. Wait, let me go back. Let me show you guys how I made the border. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Insert Shapes, Triangle, of course. Get your triangle down. Let's flip it just like that. No outline, unless you want to outline. And then go ahead and start filling in whatever color you want. Copy it, paste it. Pretty much line the two of them up in the shape fill blue, and just pretty much keep going like that until you have a whole border that you want. So that's pretty much how I did it. Just, a little trick right there for you guys. So, 'cause I know a lot of time I'll be trying to look for banners and I cannot find a good banner anywhere. So that is a little trick that you could do in creating your own. Like I said, these images I got straight from Google. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Perfect. Alright, let's put Kermit over here. Put him all the way up against the no, he needs to scoot over some more. Perfect. Alright, come on, Miss Piggy, bring your tail on. No, I did not tell you to do all that, Miss Piggy. Alright. I know you like to be the star of the show, but goodness. Alright. Forward. Make her a little bit bigger. And scoot her over to Kermit. Alright. And then now, only thing you need to do is just fill in your letters. Or your, what the freak am I spelling? Alright, now let me see. Let's go with something. Yeah, let's go with something fancy. I did not even see what the name of this was. What is this? Beauty and the Dutch. Alright. Alright. I don't really like that too much. Or maybe it's because it's bold. Let me take the bold off. A little better, I guess. Okay. What am I trying to do? Copy. Because I need to add some more words. Oh, Jesus, come on. Click on the words. Copy. Paste. And the only thing I'm doing here is just changing the letters. That's it. In a good way to get inspiration or ideas if you are pretty much having like a brain fart on any type of theme. Google is your best friend. I can't say that enough. Go to Google and type in the theme that you're doing and look up that version in invitations. That's pretty much what the heck. Go back. Goodness gracious. You go back. Go back. Thank you. Okay, that's pretty much all I did was went to Google, typed in Muppet Babies invitations to get examples, and this is what I came up with. I took an invitation and just made a chip bag to match it. That's pretty much all you're doing is picking an invitation that you like and then make a matching chip bag, which is Shoot, pretty simple. Okay. I'll also be posting another chip bag tomorrow. I'm sorry, I can't talk and type at the same time. It like throws me off. I start typing what I'm saying. So excuse me if I just start a sentence and then just quit right in the middle. My body ain't built like that. Okay, so or let's try the purple. What the purple look like? Got all this orange and okay, the purple is cute. Let's keep the purple. I'm gonna do 2 chip bags a week. That way I can try to get to everybody's request, and I am going in order that they were given. So if that kind of helps you out to know, like when your bag is coming up. So this pretty much is it. This is what I got. I did the Minnie Mouse. I did a glow part. That's the only reason why I didn't do the glow part, because I have a video already on that one. So the Muppet Babies, and then after that tomorrow I will be posting. Is that Hennessy and Patron together, or is it like Hennessy or Patron? Like, girl, which one? I don't know, or both. Uh, if you could comment on the video, but yeah. So that's pretty much it. Each month I'll pretty much be making a post like this, pretty much requesting like for any chip bag request for the month of May, and you just go ahead and list it. It's best to try to be the first one. That way yours can get done first. But I'm gonna try to get to you guys. But thank you, and as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.